Hey, what's good? Still in recovery from yesterday's race. Yesterday I rode Amashova, 132 from Howick to Durban. So I want to talk about painkillers. My body is in a bit of pain. So some of you are taking these pharmaceutical painkillers and they're not doing justice for your kidneys as well as your liver. So what alternative can you take? I've got some white willow bark here. White willow bark is nature's aspirin. This is where aspirin actually comes from. Psilocin. Psilocin is the main compound in aspirin. So I'm gonna take 2 of these for natural pain relief. So as the benefits suggest here, if you pause to read, you'll see that it says natural pain reliever. These cost 180 in store from us. White willow bark.